that EFI pump in the fucking original tank, run the lines. And then did this fucking cooling fan setup. I had to make these little brackets to put some rubber grommets under them. I thread them so they bolt in through the inside and then they snap on. And then there's she be. It has this fucking opposite bracket threaded through the inside. And yeah. Transmission cooler. I still want to get a mechanical fan though because I'm not a fan of the electric fan. No pun intended. I think a 5-incher will fit there.